folks. I don't want a big to-do. I just want a week that's meant to be well spent in bed with you. Oh, the winter nearly froze me, didn't thaw out till the spring. I don't need someone who knows me. I just want a summer fling. I don't need a cavalier, I don't need no chivalry. I just want a guy who was cute, who played the brute, and leave me be. I don't need a Romeo, I don't need forevermore. I just want a guy who will satisfy, then close the door. Got no time for good behavior, got no wedding bells to ring. I'm not looking for a savior, I just want a summer fling. Some other girls say that they want forever, wanting it all, playing it coy and clever. Too late they learn forever ends most unexpectedly. As for me, I am free. For now, that's all that I can bear to be. I don't want to hear your tale, I don't want to know your name. We both have been here before, we know the score, we've played the game. I don't want to take all the risk, I don't want my heart to bruise. I just want a moment's dance without the chance that I could lose. Once I gave my heart up gladly, wrapped in ribbons and strings, but the giving ended badly. I just want a summer fling. Once I gave my heart up gladly, now I won't give up a thing. Don't want truly, deeply, madly. I just want a summer fling. I just want